Here we have a Volkswagen Up. It's a Move Up, 1 litre, 60 PS. Now as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include power assisted speed sensitive steering, hill hold control, an anti-lock brake system and hydraulic brake assist. It also comes with 15-inch Fortaleza alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes a Multifunction display plus, wireless app connect and a composition media system with USB. For more information on this fantastic car as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.